Hi, Mark. We had a rough ride for silver today, which was rebounding by the close. Overnight, though, we saw extreme, if not violent, volatility, with the commodity down as much as 9%. Now, according to the CME Group spokesperson, trading in the July futures contract for silver was halted 4 times overnight in 20-second increments due to the sharp sell-off. This was all in the first 10 minutes of trading. Big picture, silver has fallen into a bear market in recent weeks. Gold, as you know, quickly followed. But right around noon today, we saw what traders are saying was another violent reversal. We saw both gold and silver close higher, up by better than 1%. You're looking at after-hours trading. They're still in the green. And this as the dollar weakens. What's going on? Deutsche Bank's Michael Lewis says the silver weakness is overdone at this point. He believes silver is being contaminated with what's happening to gold and the view that the growth environment is weakening. And he predicts silver will outperform gold as global growth improves. Meanwhile, funds, as we've been discussing, have gotten bearish on both silver and gold in the last few weeks. Multi-billion-dollar outflows are taking place. Bloomberg data shows they are now, at least the hedge funds, making some of the biggest bets against gold ever. And Mark, you remember we reported that billionaire George Soros was pulling his money out of the gold ETFs. That's also weighing on sentiment.
And Sue, you've got energy in the spotlight in terms of outlook, right?
Yeah, we have the supply reports this week expected to show that crude oil dropped for a second week. We're expected to see refineries boost production for a fourth week. If we look at how the energy commodities closed, it was tame by comparison. Oil futures were up for a fourth day. Again, Capital's John Kilduff says the weaker dollar playing a role. You're looking at after-hours trading, overnight trading as we speak, going into tomorrow. Natural gas, meanwhile, was the biggest commodity gainer of the day and is a huge area of focus now that the Energy Department has approved an agreement for Freeport LNG's export project. This is all about expanding U.S. exports of natural gas. Citigroup says the U.S. could supply almost 20% of the global market and become the largest exporter by the end of the decade. Mark?